Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about format. At the beginning of each course the participants underwent the following 6 basic tests using the SR meter. Their autonomic responses were recorded, and from these, a multidimensional profile of their personal psychophysiological responses to stress was obtained. This enabled the most suitable practices to be prescribed on an individual basis. 1. Measurement of BSR in the normal waking state. This indicated whether the subject was actually highly tense or excessively withdrawn when in a state he considered to be normal for him. 2. Measurement of percentage change in skin resistance while the participants conducted their own untrained form of relaxation over a 10-minute period. The results were recorded on a graph with a horizontal time axis and a vertical axis measuring percentage change in skin resistance. For example, a good relaxation response would be indicated on the SR meter by a smooth, steady swing of the needle to the left, and the graph would show us a smooth curve towards the deep relaxation levels. A wide range of results was often obtained. For example, a person who tries too hard to relax could, in fact, become trigger indicated by movement of the needle to the right instead of the left. In others, relaxation levels were not as deep as could be attained, or fluctuated in distinct patterns, and so on. 3. Measurement of the BSR after the 10-minute relaxation in test 2. This indicated whether the subject was capable of deep relaxation or whether arousal, instead of relaxation, was occurring. Subjects were then allowed to return to their normal waking state, and the needle reset at the center of the scale. 4. Response to challenge. This consisted of providing some form of external stimulus such as a loud sound, and the movement of the needle away from the center of the scale was then noted. The stimulus acts as a challenge to the nervous system, so this test indicates how a person habitually responds to challenge or stress. A desirable response will be indicated by a steady movement of the needle to the right. Remember that it is normal for a person to respond to stress. Problems begin when we cannot return to our normal state or relax again afterwards. This leads to the next test. 5. Measurement of the time taken for the needle to return to the center after the stimulus. For a balanced person this takes 1-2 minutes. But a tense person usually finds it difficult to relax again, and the needle may stay well over to the right for a longer period, indicating that the sympathetic arm of the autonomic nervous system is dominating. 6. Finally, the group was taken through a simple yoga nidra practice in which individual relaxation levels were plotted on time versus percentage change axis. This invariably showed the participants that much deeper levels of relaxation could be obtained through the practice of yoga nidra in comparison with their prior ideal of maximum relaxation.